Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
We're gonna be trying out a new restaurant today that's downstairs from our apartment.
Yeah, now that most things are opening up, it's time to get to see what Chiang has to offer for food.
Scratch that, they're not fully reopened yet. So we're gonna go figure something else out. I'm kind of scared to say this because I don't want to jinx it, but I think that this is the best Airbnb we've stayed in. Like, there haven't been any problems yet. And so far, our whole time in Asia, like every hotel, every Airbnb has some kind of problems, and usually it's stuff that you can deal with. But this is the first time that there's no problems.
Yeah, it's been a really smooth stay. I really like that the room too. I don't know about location so much. Also, I guess because it's really difficult for us to get around because we don't know how to drive a bike. Yeah, I like it too.
But I think this is the first place that I could actually see myself living, like short to longer term, like a few months. I think that'd be kind of fun. We found a spot that's like around the corner from our apartment, so pretty close. Looks very local.
Yeah, it's like it's literally inside someone's house. I love how we always run into these types of places.
We're ordering off menu, and conveniently there's also laundry right here, so you can wash your clothes while you eat. Just got our food. We got 2 bowls of pad see ew, and they loaded this up with lots of noodles. It looks so good, smells really good, and they brought over the chili tray.
This food is bomb. Okay. I was totally feeling noodles today, and these hit the spot. Just squishy, and then the way she cooked the egg too. It's kind of little pieces of scrambled egg, like how we tend to cook it on our fried rice. Yeah, it's a great way to start Monday.
I love that they're super liberal with their noodle portions. A lot of places do more veggies than noodles, but this one is like 80% noodles, and that's exactly what we wanted. So on top of being a really good meal, that was also super cheap meal, only 45 baht a plate. So I think we're gonna be back because it's literally right around the corner from our apartment.
Yeah, it was so good and filling, and it's not even far. It's literally a couple businesses down from our place.
But up next, we're gonna go get our new daily essential, a smoothie.
Yes.
This one's a little pricey compared to market smoothies, but it's really good and it's close. Influencer teens.
El coco sí, el coco sí.
No, el coco no, el coco no.
Okay, this time we ordered coconut, which is my favorite kind of smoothie. Let's give it a taste. Oh, refreshing. It's not that sweet. I asked for a little bit of sugar, but I guess I should have asked for a little more.
Pretty good. Basically tastes like they just threw some coconut in there and blended it.
Yeah. It could use a little bit more flavor. I don't know what.
Like some orange.
Like some orange? Yeah. That's true.
Orange is my favorite, coconut's our favorite. After having a weekend full of fun, it is time to work today. So that's pretty much the plan for the rest of the day, is just work, knock out videos, and I need to catch up on a little bit more programming and other stuff. Pretty slow vlog-wise, but it's an essential part of our travel lives.
I had so much fun this weekend with Songkran going on. It's officially my favorite holiday after Christmas though, because I get a week off of work. But yeah, now it's time to go pay the bills.
We spent the whole afternoon doing some work, knocked out a whole bunch of videos, so if you want to see those, make sure that you hit that subscribe button.
And if you guys also want to follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Moses and Yami, I think the content coming up is going to be straight bangers, so make sure to check this out.
Right now we're going to head over to our favorite street cart. We're splurging on a $2 grab to get over there instead of walking half an hour. And we're really hoping that she's open. The closest address we could find was a block away, so we still can't see the street cart.
I'm feeling the suspense.
Moment of truth.
Are they gonna be there or are they not? Do we come back tomorrow?
I see a cart. I don't see the lights though. There's definitely a cart up there, but it doesn't have their signature LED lights all over it. And that is not their cart. They're not here. They open at 7 and it's only 7:20 right now, so I think we'll give them a little bit of time. Hopefully they show up. This feels really familiar.
Oh yeah, very, very familiar. We're waiting for a miracle, and based on last time, miracles do happen. So maybe they'll show up. But if not, there's a place next door that looks pretty good too, so you can try that and come back tomorrow.
We'll keep trying every day, as long as it takes.
I know, and I also wonder like if maybe it's just today that they've taken off, or if they've like changed location, right? But we know that she has a tea shop like on the
block.
Yeah, like a block away. So we can always go over there and ask her where she's at.
Maybe get a WhatsApp number or something to communicate.
Yeah.
That'd be nice. I don't see any LED lights coming down the street. We got to talking with the owner of the business next door, showed him a picture of the cart, and he said that they went home to the mountains for the holidays, so well-deserved break. They deserve it for sure.
Yeah, that's cute.
He's saying that they might be back like tomorrow or so, so we'll try tomorrow. For now, we're gonna try this other little cart place next door that smells really good, sitting right here.
Come on, you're cooking, you're taking care of นี่ตรงนี้จับในข้างหนึ่งวางโอเคลุกๆกันมาyeah happy welcome Chiang Mai holiday
Chiang Mai cooking.
yeah.
Cooking class.
No spicy huh
Secured our bag of goodies, which we'll try in a bit when we get home, but we're also going to pick up some fruit. Yeah, same. Both of these look super good, and they actually put some vermicelli rice noodles into our fried rice, which we've never had before.
Since this is a new street cart, we're going to review what we think about this. Starting off with the pad thai. Oh, that's good. I like the big egg chunk too. Although I like the little egg chunks and I like the big egg chunks. I think I just like egg in my food.
And I'm gonna try out this fried rice. That's really good. It definitely tastes different than other rices we've had, but I don't really know what it is. I think you could definitely use some sriracha though.
Like each dish was 40 baht. So pretty good for 40 baht.
Yeah.
Oh, and we also have fruit.
Oh yeah, try the fruit. Pineapple.
No seasonings this time.
Tastes like pineapple.
Good old pineapple. I was today years old when I learned that there's different types of mango. I thought when he's gonna open it up, it's gonna be like yellow, you know, like the traditional one, but kind of looks like a, I don't know, apple slices. Okay.
On our side of the world, we have one type of orange, one type of banana, one type of mango, basically one type of everything, except apples. We have like 3 types of apples, even though there's thousands.
Yeah, red, green, and in between. Well, it smells like mango. And this is, don't put my hand! Oh my god. Because he's like having to pick at it. And it does smell like mango, so, you know, we gotta order it.
Flavor though, you don't really taste a lot.
Yeah, interesting. Although, I'm eating it and it does, the texture is like apple slice.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it has like very, very slight flavor.
I need some peanut butter.
Well, that is how a slow day for us looks. We spent most of today working and only left for...
It's like we're living our same life, but in different cities, with different foods, different people. I like it.
But we're gonna leave you all there and we'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye.